Hello, and I'll be reviewing this travel electronics organizer that's waterproof. And the reason why I bought this was to organize my cables. So as you can see, it's got two zipper compartments here, right? And multiple areas in which you can go ahead and organize your cables. So as an individual who has a lot of cables from laptop, chargers, camera gear, there's a lot of places where it usually needs to kind of seal with these straps that you see here. There's another zipper compartment you can see here. As far as the second compartment goes, more zipper compartments, and as for another compartment in which it kind of organizes your chargers, cables, or docks. Now as far as what will fit inside here, I have an iPad, which you can see here, and this one fits perfectly, even with the case on, within this compartment, as you can see. As for that is probably the maximum size of what it can fit. So here I have simply just an 11.5 by 8 size paper. If I place that paper inside, as you can see, it's not going to fit. So anything larger than a regular size iPad probably wouldn't fit in here. But a normal iPad, this is a 10 by 7.5 inch normal iPad. It'll fit easily within either compartment, as you can see here, and it'll easily close.